They didn't just simply steal from an individual, they stole from God.
An empty platform and cut wires. This is where New Hope's air conditioning unit used to be.
I was not only shocked, but I was frustrated and a little bit discouraged.
Friday morning when Pastor Mike Sawyer showed up to his Kokomo church, he knew someone had already been there, and he knew stealing this big, heavy unit took more than one thief.
This was a well thought out plan that said, hey, this is what we're going to do. They knew what they were doing.
This church isn't out in the middle of nowhere. It's right off of Old 31, the busiest stretch in Kokomo. And these thieves didn't seem to care that any driver passing by could have seen them stealing the AC unit.
With the lighting we have surrounding us, it took some great audacity to come and take that AC unit like they did.
This is a brand new unit. The church just installed it last month, and now they're out at least $4,000. This past Sunday service was a hot one, and they'll have to wait it out for a few more weeks.
Sunday morning was a little difficult, but we handled it well. People in New Hope Church are tough.
Pastor Sawyer isn't sure if the thieves wanted the unit for themselves or just to sell it on the streets. Whatever the reason is, it's still a crime.
We want to offer them forgiveness, but forgiveness doesn't mean that there's not always consequences to decisions made.
This exact spot is where these thieves spent some time getting the job done, but they were also just feet away from getting help. Right on the other side of this brick wall is the church's sanctuary, a place of peace and guidance for anyone who needs it.
I mean, the name of our church is New Hope, and so we want to provide hope for our community, and so that's what we're striving to do.
In Kokomo, Lindsay Eaton, Fox 59 News.